Good evening, Dean Davis and LiveWeatherBlogs.com, meteorologist. On for an overnight outlook. We got a few things here. Not much going on in the United States of America. We have one low one moving to the Pacific Northwest. Falls rain up and down the coast. Really nothing going on the coasts, either coast, other than that one storm. We have one coming through the Midwest, but that's not very strong. And a little disturbance here down by the Gulf of Mexico, but really nothing going hugely on with the weather, and it's kind of scary to think about when you look at it. We're going to move in a little bit, and what is going on with the weather? We haven't had any significant snow. Pretty bad snow year. We're way below normal, and it's just going to continue this way. So no rain here or snow in the foreseeable future, and a clear East Coast from Philly straight back down through the Roanoke Valley and into western North Carolina. There's really nothing to talk about when it comes to weather, and that's kind of a scary thought. You get a couple showers off the coast of North Carolina. I mean, that's what we're talking about here, and as you can see, cloud overlay, not really anything going on. Then even looking at the country, the national maps, you can see nothing going on. Pretty much the whole United States. A couple of flood warnings here in Tennessee Valley. And some high wind problems here in the west. That's just the gist of it. Really nothing going on. National speak on the radar, like I said, a few showers here in Florida, a few coming in the west, nothing else going on across the east coast. Looking at the infrared, we have this upper level low taking into the Midwest. Really not any, there will be no severe weather with this. There's going to be really no precipitation. So this is really slow moving. You got another upper level low really slow moving across here, across the east. Moving down, so it's pretty much a zonal flow with the satellite. You can see where the gesturing is pretty zonal, and this is riding up. One's riding up, so you can see that's pretty much zonal flow. And you got this down here was, believe it or not, an invest, a tropical invest. That was the only interesting weather over the last 2 days. Was a tropical invest. Tropical invest in February. I mean, to tell you how La Nina is going this year and how the weather's going this year, there's the weirdness for you. Here we go, invest 90, and like I said, it's going to be nothing very shortly, but the fact that we don't have anything going on out here. The storm is now located, the split's flow, and it's located off the east coast of Florida and moving away. So nothing to be threatening, but it's kind of weird we talk about investigation of tropical characteristics here in February. I don't know which one all this pattern, but it's going to be a very interesting year for weather, much like last year was. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like we're going to have a lot of snow to go along with it. So we look at the GFS, which is, I always would tell you it's not my favorite model to look at. A few things to show up. Moderating flow, nothing going on big in the country. We're out 96 hours now. We have the Clipper that comes to the east. That may, and I mean may, give a tidbit of precipitation snow in Delaware Valley. We're talking cutting to an inch at the most. It's not going to be nothing to brag about. We get a high pressure build in, pretty strong 156 hours, keeping these lows way out and up north. Then we start building about 240, and then we're just going to, I would be worried more about severe weather here in Texas, Arkansas, Oklahoma, and then to the east coast by 276. I'll be worried about the Roanoke Valley, North Carolina, for severe weather. We're not talking about snow, we're talking about severe weather. As we keep on, we'll get in the warm sector, and then this thing will move out to the coast, maybe give northern New England some snow. But this is pretty far out, and then you see these storms are staying way to the south and not being big on seeing any kind of a storm in the foreseeable future for the Northeast. So, chance of severe weather, looking about the most probable thing to see in the next week or so. We're taking a look at the forecast now for Roanoke and the Philadelphia Valley. Tonight we're going to have 35 degrees most of the cloudy skies. Sunny, beautiful day for February the 7th, which happens to be my fiance's birthday. It's going to be a good day for her birthday. 57 degrees. 34 Tuesday night. Wednesday, 52 degrees. 32 Wednesday night. Mostly sunny, 46 Thursday, and Friday, 52. Maybe another chance of showers by the weekend. With temperatures in upper 40s and lower 50s. Taking a look now to the Washington, D.C. area. D.C. Baltimore looking at 54 degrees Tuesday, 42 chance of snow, rain mix on Wednesday. Like I said, this could be a really weird coating to an inch type of system when if it changes to all snow on Wednesday. Wednesday night, chance of rain 36, 48 Friday, 48% Thursday and Friday, excuse me, and chance of precipitation again for the weekend being rain. And in the Delaware Valley, 51 degrees, sunny on Tuesday. Wednesday, rain, snow, mix possibility. Then a chance of light snow on Wednesday night, which could accumulate like up to an inch of snow at the most. Nothing much more than that. 31 degrees, 44 Thursday, 47 Friday, and clouding up possibly for Saturday and Sunday with chance of precipitation being rain. And also some snow would be better probability if you go north and west to the city of Philadelphia. Colder air will be in place. Don't stay with liveweatherblogs.com for all your latest weather information, and we'll keep you updated as it goes along. For liveweatherblogs.com, meteorologist Dean Davis, and have a great evening, and I'll talk to you again really soon.